We're back. Well, actually, I'm back. The wife is at work, so I'm doing this project by myself. But I'm gonna get it. I'm finna drain the sink. And I kind of like doing it, you know, DIY, 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 do it yourself. I kind of like doing it myself because ain't that like satisfaction of doing things yourself? And since I've been on YouTube, you know, my confidence in talking on the camera has actually been been confident. I've been kind of confident a little bit better. Learning to communicate better too, as well. And that's where I mostly get my quick fixes from. Watching the guys on YouTube, learning to take care of things around the house, and also taking care of my cars, and plus my yard projects and stuff. So I like it, you know. Getting that cleaned up just a little bit. I'm trying to be a little careful because this is real glass. And, you know, the edges and stuff are also sharp. So I have to be careful with that. But I'm going to try that too. Looking a little dull there. So let's see. It might work, it might not. Let's see. Put a little WD on it. Won't hurt. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's not too bad, you know. Look at that. So that's pretty much a before. Let's see how it looks afterwards. I spray a little WD on there. It's not bad. So I will be back. You probably don't want to watch me put this all back together. Too bored. But I will be right back. A little bit better.